Drug-resistant bacterial infections already contribute to 1 million deaths per year, and experts predict that that could increase to as many as 8 million people a year by 2050 if we don't act now. Antimicrobial resistance, or AMR, is an urgent global health issue, and this is because it threatens the effectiveness of antibiotics and other antimicrobial treatments.
The treatments that we have today are becoming less and less effective. Antibiotics that once used to work no longer work, and without action, this problem is going to get worse. So the partnerships that we've brought together, PACE and the Cystic Fibrosis AMR Syndicate, are really about helping to make sure that innovation is directed where it's needed most. We've absolutely achieved more together than we could have alone. AMR is such a complex problem that no single organisation can solve it in isolation. Working collectively with LifeArc and the CF Trust and Innovate UK on our partner programmes, it's about helping to bring forward new innovations, because if we don't develop new antibiotics and new diagnostics to go with them, we will run out of treatment options.
PACE is a world-leading collaborative initiative accelerating the development of novel innovations to tackle AMR. We partnered with Medicines Discovery Catapult and Innovate UK to form this collaborative programme, which brings together a global network of experts in AMR.
Early stage innovation is fragile and it needs to be supported effectively. There are really fantastic innovations out there in AMR, new tests, new diagnostics, really novel ways of tackling the problem. And PACE was brought forward to really help nurture that, provide the right funding at the right time.
Without that, the impact of these projects will be lost, and they would not therefore have the impact that is needed to address the problem of antimicrobial shortage in the future.
And we can support scientists to move their innovations along the development pipeline towards the clinic.
The CF-AMR Syndicate was formed and centred around the unmet needs of people living with cystic fibrosis and the chronic lung infections that they need to manage and treat in a better way than they're able to today.
New antimicrobials and diagnostics are an urgent unmet need for the CF community. People with CF often experience resistance and have to resort to really intensive antibiotic treatments, often with very serious side effects.
What makes this syndicate so successful is that we have representatives from industry, from academia, together with clinicians and people living with cystic fibrosis, all working together.
And it really allows us to support innovators in a really 360-degree way, from bringing the lived experience insights right to expertise in helping filling knowledge gaps in the research infrastructure. I think the power of the partnership gives hope to people with cystic fibrosis that we may be able to drive progress forward more rapidly than we would have been able to do alone.
And so a big part of what PACE and the Cystic Fibrosis AMR Syndicate are doing is to nurture the innovators in the sector so that we are able to get ahead of AMR.
The biggest impact will be for those people going into hospital who go in to have either a knee replacement or a hip replacement or having chemotherapy. They will not have to worry about getting an infection and dying as a result of that.
These initiatives have the potential to be transformational. We might lead them from the UK, but this is for the whole world. We go further, we move faster when we work together.